Hi guys, I hope you have a great day. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me tutorial with this look. So I'm on the go now to go to the Disney on Ice with my little girl. So we both have our Mickey Mouse t-shirts. So without further ado, before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I want to say, Miss Nissa Sunshine, thank you so much to share my last video. It means so much to me. And yeah, go follow her if you don't follow her, because she's a sweetheart and she's so talented, like I said in my last video. So yeah, don't forget to follow me also on my social media. And without further ado, let's jump into this. So I have both of my kids right now with me, so it's gonna be a little bit chaotic. But I'm going to Disney on Ice tonight, and I will do like a super fun makeup, and I want to film that with you. So it's gonna be more like a get ready with me. I'm not gonna explain everything because I have to go there like quickly. First, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Born This Way concealer. I was going to say foundation. And again, I didn't do my brow. So I'm just gonna quickly blend the concealer that I had on my lid. So for this look, it's gonna be a little bit simple on my lids, but I'm gonna have a little pop of color. So I'm gonna use Silk and Cream, this one, to put now I'm gonna take powder just right here. So you don't need this palette. If you have more neutral shade, it's gonna be fine. And I will put this all over my lids. I'm gonna start in my crease and just blend on my lids because I want a washout of brown. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of shimmer shade, but I don't want to be super not pigmented, but I don't want to be super foiled. So I'm gonna take Geek, this one, like a more bronzy shade. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, but not wet the brush. So the eyes are done. It was this simple. And now I'm gonna wing this shit. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna prime my face with this primer by Touch and Sol. This is the No Poreblem primer. I'm just gonna put this in my T-zone. So now for my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite cocktail, and this is the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline in the shade 110, and the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir in the shade 605. So I'm just gonna bounce this on my face. So don't forget to put foundation on your neck and your ears if you're gonna have a bun, and right now I don't know if my hair is gonna be up or not, so don't forget my ears. So for cream contour, I'm gonna use the Elixir Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Bisque. Put this all over my face and blend everything with my beauty blender. I love this stuff so much because it just blends like a dream. So now I'm gonna put concealer on my face, and this is the Born This Way concealer, like I said today, and this is in the shade Swan. So now I'm gonna put the Sephora Radiant Luminizing Drops in the shade Light Morning. And blend everything. So now I'm gonna take powder and just powder in the eyes, but super lightly. I don't want to bake because right now my skin is super dry. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05 Fair. I'm just gonna go over my place where I produce more oil, and on my forehead because I had a little bit of creasing there, a little bit of fine line. So now for my inner corner, I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Savage just right here, and it's gonna be so cool. So I'm just gonna take a pencil brush to be precise because we don't want pink everywhere. So just that's so cool. So for my under eyes, I'm gonna do something a little bit smoky. So I'm gonna take the shade Mocha just right here, right here, and tight line my lashes with this. And now I'm gonna take powder. Woo, I have way too much. And in my inner corner, I'm gonna put a white liner. So this is Annabelle white liner. And for this, I need my two hands because I'm so not good to put this. So now I'm gonna put mascara and falsies, and I will be back. So my eyes are done, and now I'm gonna finish my face. I'm gonna bronze quickly with my butter bronzer. I'm gonna blush with this TARTE. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with some Urban Decay long-lasting setting spray. And I'm gonna put some highlight. I'm gonna use Citrine from Jouer Cosmétique. So for my lips, I'm gonna go with a nude. So I'm gonna line my lips. I'm so off of breath right now. And I'm gonna go with this Makeup Forever liquid lipstick. So now I'm gonna go with a liquid lipstick because tonight's gonna be a long night. Everything shades so bad. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this super quick tutorial and a little bit messy with my two kids right now because so I like this makeup because it's a little bit like out of the box with the pink inner corner. So I hope you're gonna love this, and with the neon trend right now, so I just put my toes in this neon trend. So yeah, so I hope you like this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.